that's going to change how you think about AI and digital transformation. I've spent the last few years researching why companies struggle with technology and how we can do better. In this channel, I'm going to share real stories, research, and practical tools to make AI and digital tools work for people, not against them, especially for organizations to have a successful digital transformation implementation. Did you know that around 84% of digital transformation projects fail? I've seen it happen again and again. Companies spend millions on enterprise systems that nobody uses. I've watched brilliant AI technologies that fail only because they forget about humans that have to work with them every day. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly why this keeps happening and how to fix it. Now let me tell you a real story. Imagine a company rolling out a new digital system. Dashboard, scheduling, automated reports, everything integrated. On paper, it looks perfect. And there's a Jason, a site supervisor with 30 years of experience. He knows projects inside out. But when the system arrives, he struggles. Not because he can't learn it, but because the system ignores his expertise. Instead of helping him, it forces him into a rigid process that doesn't match the real challenges he faces every day. The system treated his 30 years of expertise as legacy thinking to be replaced rather than institutional knowledge to be enhanced. It forced him to work around the system, not working with it. That's when I realized that the problem isn't just technology itself. It's how we approach enterprise digital transformation and how we design it and how we implement it. This isn't just Jason's story. I found the same pattern across many companies and industries. Companies were investing heavily in enterprise AI systems, machine learning platforms, and automated workflows. Technology was sophisticated, business cases were compelling, but the implementation results were consistently disappointing. Big investments in AI systems, but very low adoption, often only 25 to 30%. But when we change our approach to focus on people first, the adoption rates will jump dramatically. That's where I realized that we have been approaching AI and digital transformation completely backwards. We are designing systems for perfect theoretical workflows, not complex reality that actual work gets done. Led me to develop what I call the human-centric approach to enterprise digital transformation implementation. Instead of asking, how do we get people to use this technology, we should ask, how do we design technology that makes people more successful? And it would be based on three main key principles. The first principle is that technology should amplify human capabilities, not replace them. Back to Jason's story. Jason didn't need to be replaced by, for example, an ERP system. He needed an intelligence system that captured his expertise and made it scalable across the entire organization. And the second principle is success metrics must include human outcomes, not just efficiency gains. Yes, I know. We want faster delivery and better resource utilization, but not at the cost of job satisfaction, professional development, or team collaboration. And finally, the third principle, which is, I believe, the most important one, is change management. Change management is enterprise architecture. The best AI implementation in the world is worthless if your people won't use it, can't understand it, or actively work around it. And I've tested this with multiple companies, and the results are consistent. Higher adoption, happier team, and of course, stronger business results. That's what BTG Vision is about. I'm here to bridge the gap between cutting edge AI research and practical enterprise implementation, showing you how to build a system that works with human intelligence, not against them. And in this channel, you'll find three main type of content. The first one is practical AI tutorials. I'll walk you through specific enterprise tools and demonstrate implementation strategies, how you can work with them. The second type of content you'll find in my channel would be proven frameworks and methodologies that some of them are based on my own published research. And these aren't just theoretical concepts, they are field tested approaches used by real companies to achieve measurable results. I'll share with you some of them later. And thirdly, industry insights and case studies worldwide. I'll analyze what's working in enterprise digital transformation, what's failing, and the reason behind all of it. And now here's what I promise you. Every video in this channel will be practical, evidence-based, and focused on real-world application. No hype, no buzzwords, just proven strategies you can implement immediately. I'm also planning to bring in other experts once we build this community first. Researchers, industry leaders, and practitioners who are successfully implementing digital transformation in their own companies and organizations. And by the way, the name of the channel, BTG, stands for Build Together. And this philosophy is at the heart of everything we'll explore here because the most successful digital transformations happen when we build solutions together with the people who will use them, not impose technology on them. And finally, if this resonates with you, please subscribe the channel and share your biggest challenge in digital transformation in the comments. And my next video will cover 5 tools every project manager should know and how to use them. Thank you for watching and see you soon.